Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to change phone number on Instagram. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So to change the phone number, what we have to do, we have to tap on these three lines that are on the top right corner. And here what you have to do, we have to tap on account center. So in the account center, you can see the option of personal details. So we have to tap on that. So in the personal detail, we have to tap on the contact info. And now, as you can see here, we haven't added any phone number into our Instagram account. So you can simply do that by tapping on add new contact. And here you can see the option of add mobile number. So if you've already added the mobile number on here, then if you want to change your mobile number, what you have to do, you can simply change this from here. And if you wanted to change the country code, you can simply tap on this change. And from here, you will be able to change the country code here as well. And here you're going to add the number that you wanted to add, and after that you just have to save the data. So this is how you can actually change phone number on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.